Hi, this is Dr. Doug Smile from CDOCS, and today's Tip of the Day video is on the Prime Scan Prime Mill workflow for CEREC Guide 2 and 3, and it's trimming the guide proposal. So there's really three ways to trim it, and I've just found that the easiest way to trim this, because again, you're using the Medi block, so it's a smaller block, and you've got to get this set right so there's enough, it doesn't overextend it. So you drag the slider around, and I'll show you in this video, and click on the blue line where it's extended after the proposal and bring it over to the other. So you've got to edit that line once you have your proposal. So here you see that baseline, and that's what you're going to do. The seating area is what you're going to do. So you're going to drag that, left click and drag that slider on the seating area to anywhere between 5 and 6. And here we have it at 5.8. And what that does is that brings that blue line up. It's a lot easier to click on one side and then click on the other to do your trimming. Okay? So you're going to start and you're going to double click on that line. You can see it's still overextended down the floor of the mouth, but at least we can get to it now. So you double click. And again, I like to go through a half a tooth so I don't have to do any windows because it makes it a much shorter milling time. So you bring it over the height of contour. You take to the other line on the buccal side, double click, and that gets rid of that. Because again, you get about 5 teeth. So now you want to just trim this back up. And you don't need this down into the buccal vestibule. So just take it right down on the cervical margin of the teeth or on the gingival margin. Double click. That shortens that side. Bring it over. And again, you don't need all that excess too down in the floor of the mouth. So just double click right on that cervical part or the gingival margin of the tooth. Bring it across. Double click there. And that'll get rid of that. And if you have like a sharp corner here, this is something you could double click here and bring it over there. So it's the fewest steps. It's real easy to do. You got your 5 teeth in there. You got something to see a window so it's seated. And now you're all set. So I hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you at a CDOCS course. Thank you.